Hey guys, in this video I'm going to create a home screen for my Frederick Douglass book, Prophet of Freedom. So what I'm going to do is this is I guess this is like chapter 1. Or maybe this is the introduction. Yeah, this is the introduction. So this page is for the introduction. I'm going to create a page before this for the that's just going to highlight the book itself, and then it will take you into the introduction and then on to chapter 1 and so forth. So to do that, I'm going to duplicate my introduction HTML page. So I'm going to save as, and we'll call this book cover, book underscore cover. Gotta make sure I put in the .html just to make sure about that. I'm going to make sure I save as HTML here. Yeah, there it is. .html save. Alright, so looking over my document here, everything looks to be good. So I'm dealing with my first row. My first row is this row here. So I'm gonna leave the ads, but here I'm going to change this introduction to book cover. Leave that ad. Now I'm on my second row, and I am going to remove this image here. Alright, and then I'm gonna come here. So now I'm in my second row. Yeah, I'm in my second row, second column, which is where I have my bulleted list here, my ordered list here. So this is it where it begins here. So I'm gonna delete everything here and save. Alright, so now that I save, then this table here starts we're still in the second row and we're in the third column. So I need to add another line here. Control Z, paste that, and we're gonna call this book underscore cover .html, and we'll put book cover as the description. Perfect. Alright, cool. So now I am going to work in my second row, and this is going to be my second column. And right here I'm just going to put a I want to put an image of the cover of the book. I should have copied and pasted what I had here before, but no worries. I can still use this image source and probably this aref. Yeah. Alright, perfect. Alright, you know what I can do? I can just open up actually this should not be alright, well, first let me save this. This should not be index book cover. This should be introduction. so let me rename this. This needs to be introduction. Alright, and then this needs to just be book cover. But in order for me to do that, I need to close out of it. Alright, let's rename book cover. Alright, that looks good. Now I'll open up introduction and I'll open up book cover. Perfect. Alright, introduction to HTML. So here I'm gonna copy and paste this line right here. Let's copy that and then go to book cover, and I'm gonna paste it. So this is second row, first column, second column, third column, right here. Second column, and I will backspace just to clean it up, align it a little bit. Perfect. All right. So I have that. Now I need to go get the image of the book that I want. So I am going to open up a new tab here and search, what am I searching? Frederick Douglass, Prophet of Freedom. Alright, and we'll go to images. Perfect. Alright, and I am looking for, I want something large, so I'm going to go to tools, large. Perfect. Alright. I want something that represents the cover of the book. That gives, ooh, this is nice. Let's see what this one looks like. That one's not that bad. Represents the book cover. Let's see, what else do we have here? That one. Do we have something else? That looks good. What do I have? What do I have? We might end up using that one. That's like a bookshelf. It's not really what I was looking for. Just a, maybe I might have to search like just a book cover. Ooh, what about this? Nope, that's cut off. Nope. Nope. Oh, what does he say here? It is easier to build strong children than to repair broken men. Ooh, powerful quote there. We'll probably get to it. All right. Let's go back up and let's do book cover. Do large. Yeah, that one represents the author and the book. That's not bad. And it's a 1500 by 1150. So, ooh, look at this one. I'll even authorize that. Ooh. Ooh, this one I like. Is it gonna clean up? Ooh, yeah. 1024 by 1556. Let's save as. Let's go to documents, images. cover. Save that one. Well, here's another one. It looks pretty good. That one's got some writing on it. That's the one we just saw. I think we may have a winner. If I can find something to beat that other one. That one's with the image laying flat. Don't really like that one. That just shows a portion of his head. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, that's just announcing the. Oh. Ooh. Ooh, this one looks good. This is 1589 by 1198. Let's save that one, and we'll just call it book cover 2. All right, let's stick with that. So let's come back here. I'm going to so right now the source is navigating into my images folder where I saved those pictures. So I'm going to use the first picture. So I'm going to remove that and go to book underscore cover. I can spell. Sweet. .jpg. That's correct. JPEG. And we'll do Frederick Douglass book. Again, if I can spell book. There should be a ending quotes there. Not sure why there wasn't. Anyway, which means that there's probably one not here either. Oh, there is. All right. Just wanted to make sure. Where am I? There am I. Come on. All right. Book. Cover. Yep, we're gonna leave it 500 pixels by 600 pixels. That's great. That's great. Everything looks good, so we will Control S and we will preview this in Chrome. Preview. All right, so looks good. The aspect ratio looks like it's a little bit off. What was my previous aspect ratio? So let's copy this and paste it here, and let's go back to what my previous aspect ratio was for that one. Which one did I like? No, it wasn't that one. It was not this one. It was this one? Yeah, this one. We're going 1007 by 1500. So we might have to try that out. The width is 1007 by 1500. Wonder if I should just save that. Control S, go back, and let's see what it looks like now. Ooh, that is huge. All right, so that is a really good aspect ratio, but it looks like it takes up a lot of the page. I don't know if I want to leave it at that or what. Let's see. That's correct. That's correct. Stand by for a second. All right, I'm back. there is a calculator, an online imaging calculator. Well, there's several of them, but this one in particular, I came over here and I plugged in the original width and height, which was the 1007 by 1500, and I told it I wanted about 50% of that, and it spit out this ratio here, 503.5 by 750. So let's try that. 503.5 by 750. Save. Refresh. Okay. That is way better. And let's see if I can try something here. Stand by for a second. Alright, I'm back. I wanted to get this image a little bit more centered. So what I did was after the TD, I went ahead and put in a center, and then I inserted my image, and then I closed out the center tag. I used the center tag for this, and when I am done, it refreshed and it puts the image of the cover of the book in the center. So that looks like is working the way I want to, and then I'm bringing in my introduction. I need to update the introduction with the with that link, this one right here. So let me go ahead and do that really quick. Gotta scroll all the way down, hit enter, paste, control save. So now my introduction will have the book cover, which will bring me here, and then the introduction will start it off. So I hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial on creating the book cover of this amazing book, Frederick Douglass, Prophet of Freedom, using HTML. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Take care. Bye.